Are you facing a spawn delay in Mobile Legends? It's frustrating, but here's how you can fix it. Step 1. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or slow connection can cause spawn delays. Try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi network or use mobile data if necessary. Step 2. Close background apps on your phone. Apps running in the background can take up processing power and slow down your gameplay. Check your recent apps and close any you don't need. Step 3. Update Mobile Legends. Sometimes older game versions can have performance issues. Head to your app store, check for updates, and install the latest version of the game. Step 4. Clear the game's cache. Open the settings menu, tap on apps, find Mobile Legends, and select clear cache. This can help with performance issues including spawn delays. Finally, if none of these fixes work, consider reinstalling the game. Just make sure your progress is linked to an account so you don't lose anything. Try these steps and you'll be back to smooth gameplay in no time.